Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your Cardano ADA from an exchange like Bitmart to a more flexible wallet like Metamask. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds, and I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be withdrawing your ADA like a pro, giving you more control over your assets. First things first, make sure you have both accounts set up. You'll need your Bitmart account with some ADA in it, and Metamask installed on your browser or device. Note that Metamask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, but with the right extensions or bridges in 2025, you can handle Cardano too. If you haven't already, download the MetaMask extension and set up a new wallet or import your existing one. Let's jump into the steps. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. Find your Cardano balance and click on the Withdraw button next to it. This will open a withdrawal form. Make sure to select Cardano ADA from the drop-down menu. Now, for the crucial part, you need your Metamask wallet address. Open Metamask, switch to the network that supports Cardano transfers. There might be a specific bridge or custom network added by 2025. Copy that address carefully, paste it into the withdrawal address field on Bitmart. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Next, enter the amount of ADA you want to withdraw. Remember to leave some for network fees if applicable. Review the details and hit Confirm. You'll probably need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once that's done, sit tight. Your transaction should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your ADA arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, give it time or check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Cardano from Bitmart to Metamask in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and verify addresses multiple times. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.